Hello guys, it's me Shivangini, your maths teacher. So today we are going to continue with the division chapter. In that we are going to study division of 3-digit number without regrouping. So exercise 7.3. First one, that is 84 divided by 7. So as you all know, first we have to see 7 ones are tables. So 7 ones are is 7 because 8 is greater than 7. So first we are going to do 7 ones are 7. So write here 7. Then you are going to subtract it. After subtracting, you will get 1. Then the next step is take down this 4. Then the number you will get it as 14. So in 7 ones are, where is 14? That is 7 2s are 14. So here you are going to write 14. After that you are going to do subtraction. Then you will get the remainder as 0 and your result, that is your quotient, will be as 12. The next question, that is 906 divided by 3. Now here you are going to see 3 ones are table. So the first number is 9. So 3 3s are is your 9. Right? So after writing 9, just subtract it. Then after doing subtraction, you will get it as 0. Then bring down this 0. Bring down this 0 down. Then you will get it as 0 0. So you cannot divide 0 with 3. So just go for 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. Then again you subtract it. You will get the answer as 0. The next number. Now you are going to bring down the next number, that is 6. Okay. Now in 3 ones are where there is a 6. That is 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now you are going to do minus. That is 6 minus 6. You will get the answer as 0. This will be your remainder and your answer, that is your quotient, will be 302. Now the next sum, that is 600 divided by 3. So in 3 ones are, first check where the 6 comes. That is 3 2s are 6. Then you are going to do subtraction. Then 6 minus 6 will be your 0. Now here you are going to bring down this 0 down. So you are going to write here 0. After that you are going to bring down the another 0 down. So here you are going to write another 0. So your remainder is 0 and your quotient will be, that is result. Result is 200. Now the next problem, that is 464 divided by 2. Now here we have to see 2 ones are tables. So in 2 ones are where there is a 4. That is 2 2s are 4. Now you are going to do subtraction. So 4 minus 4 is 0. You will get it as 0. The next step is bring down this 6. Bring down this 6. Then in 2 ones are where there is a 6. That is 2 3s are 6. So write here 6. Then after that again you are going to do subtraction. That is 6 minus 6. You will get it as 0. Now again you are going to bring down the next number. That is 4. So you brought down the 4. So in 2 ones you have to check where there is a 4. So it is 2 2s are. That is 2 2s are 4. Now you have to do again subtraction. So after doing subtraction, you will get the remainder as 0 and your result, that is your quotient, has 232. Now next sum, that is 64 divided by 8. Now 8 ones are 8. you cannot do because the first number is 6, which is smaller than 8. So directly check. In 8 ones is there any 64 as a number? So in 8 ones you will get 8 8s are 64. So you can write directly, that is 8 8s are 64. After writing 64, after writing 64, you are going to do subtraction. Then you will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient, that is your result, has 8. So next, sixth one, 848 divided by 4. Here you will have to go in 4 ones are tables, that is 4 2s are 8. The first number is divided by 4. So you can go for 4 2s are 8. Then subtract it. You will get it as 0. Then bring down the next number, that is 4. So you will get it as 4. So in 4 tables, that is 4 ones are 4. So write here 4 ones are, this 1 here and 4 here. That is 4 ones are 4. Then here you are going to do again subtraction. So after doing subtraction, that is 4 minus 4, you will get it as 0. Then after this step, again you are going to bring down the next number, that is 8. Then again you are going to go in 4 tables. That is in 4 where there is a 8. That is 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Now again subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient, that is your result, has 212. Now the next problem, that is 909 divided by 9. So here you have to see 9 tables. That is 9 ones are 9. Then subtract it. You will get as 0. Okay. Then the next step is bring down this next number, that is 0. After that, you have to check 0. Whether 0 is in 9 table? No. So you have to go for 9 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. So after that, you are going to subtract it. Then you will get 0. Then the next number you are going to bring it down, that is 9. So you will get number as 9. Then you have to check again in the 9 table. That is where there is a 9. That is 9 ones are 9. After that, again you are going to do subtraction. So you will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient, that is your result, has 101. Next one. 700 is divided by 7. Okay. Now here you have to check 7 table. That is 7 ones are 7. Right. Then subtract it. You will get 0. You got a 0. After this step, you are going to bring down this 0. You are going to bring down the next number, that is 0. That is 7 zeros are 0. So directly write here 0. Next number. Then after that, bring down the next number. That is again the 0. So that is also 7 zeros are 0. So here your remainder is 0 and your quotient, that is your result, is 100. The next sum, that is 666 divided by 6. So you have to see 6 table here. That is 6 ones are 6. Then subtract it. You will get the answer as, that is remainder as 0. Then bring down the next number, that is 6. Then again it will be 6 ones are 6. Then again subtract it. Then you will get it 0. Then again you are going to bring down the next number, that is your 6. Then again 6 ones are 6. Again you are going to do subtraction. Then you will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient that is result has 111. Next one, 339 divided by 3. So here you have to see 3 table, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, then subtract it, you will get the remainder as 0. Then after the first step you are going to bring down the next number, that is 3, then again 3 ones are 3, then again you are going to do subtraction, you will get it as 0. Then after this step again you are going to bring down the next number, that is 9. Then in 3 table you have to find where there is a 9. So that is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Then you have to do again subtraction. You will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient, that is your result, as 113. Now next, exercise 7.4. Complete the following division. This is your first sum from your textbook. They have given this type of problem. There are some missing letters, missing numbers. You are going to find that numbers, like 5 1 they have given you, 5 1 they have given you, and they have given you 9. So what do you have to think? That is 5 1s are 5. This much you can do. 5 1s are 5. Then you will get it as 45 they have told you. Here the clue number it is. So you can write here 5. So you can write here 5. Then 45 means 5 words are 45. That is 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Then you have to subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0. Here they have given you the number 5. So here you have to think what will be the number. So if the number is 5 here, then here also it will be 5 only, right? And here also it will be 5 only. Okay, then 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. So remainder is 0. Here they have given you remainder as 0. So your remainder should be 0. So your answer will be, that is quotient, that is 191. Next one. Here they have given you 8, 7 and 4, right? And 24 they have given you. So the first one is, in 8 ones you have to check where there is 24. That is 8 3s are 24, right? 8 3s are 24 and they have given you the remainder as 3. So your first number will be 2, that is 27. You have to think like that. The first number will be 2, that is 27. So if you subtract 27 by 4, if you subtract 27 by 24, then you will get the remainder as 3. So the first number will be 2. Then after that, here they have given you 4. Here they have given you 4 and here they have given you 3. So first think, 4 words are 32. Okay, just think, 4 words are, what will be your answer? You all know 8 4s is 32. 8 4s is 32. So write here 2 so that you can bring down this 2 and it will become as 32. Then 8 4s are 32. Then you are going to do subtraction. Then you will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient has 34. That is your result. Now next, section B, find the missing digit in the quotient. Here we are going to find the missing digit in the quotient. Here they have given you the equation, that is 288 divided by 9. Here they have given you. and the first number is missing over here. Can you see here? Yes. Then the first number is missing over here. So you have to just go in 9 table and just see which is near to 28. Which is near to the 28 number. So it is 9 3s are 28. So here the first number will be 3. So 9 3s are, sorry, it is 27. So 9 3s are right here 27. Then after writing 27, here you are going to do subtraction. Then after doing subtraction, you will get the remainder has 1. The remainder has 1. That is 28 minus 27. The remainder will be 1. Then take down the next number. That is 8. So you will get the number as 18. Then you have to see 9 2s is 18. This number they have given you already. So it will be 9 2s are 18. Then you are going to do subtraction. Then you will get the remainder has 0 and your quotient, that the missing digit, that is 32. Missing digit is 3, but your quotient, that the result is 32. Now the next one. They have given you 760 divided by 8. Here the missing number is this, and they have given you 5. First you have to think 76 is near to what in 8 table? That is 8 9s are 72. 72 and 8 10s are 80. 80 will be greater than 76. You have to see the lesser number. So go for 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. Then you have to subtract this. After subtracting, you will get has 0 and 4. 0 4. That is 4. Then the next step is you are going to bring down the next number, that is 0. You will get the number as 40. Then 8 5s are is 40. Right? 8 5s are 40. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder has 0 and your quotient has 95 and the missing digit is 9. So now we'll go for next. Okay. Here they have given you the question has 965 divided by 5. 965 divided by 5. And here they have given you 1 already. So 5 1s are 5 here, right? Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 4. Then as you all know, bring down the next number. Then you will get the new number, that is 46. Then you have to check in 5 table 46 means 46 is near to what? That is 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 50 will be greater than 46. So go for the number which is lesser than 46. So you'll get it as 5 9s are 45. Then subtract it. You'll get the remainder as 1. Then as you all know, bring down the next number. So new number is formed, that is 15. Now in 5 table, you have to check where there is 15. That is 5 3s are 15. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient, that is your answer, has 193 and your missing digit is 9. Okay, now next. 648 divided by 4. So 648 divided by 4. So first you have to see 4 ones are table, that is 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 is greater than 6. So go for 4 ones are 4. Then subtract it. Then you will get the remainder has 2. And as you all know, you are bringing down the next number so that the new number is formed, that is 24. Then again you have to see 4 6 is 24. 4 6 is 24. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0. Then again bring down the next number, that is 8. Now in 4 ones are, as you all know, 4 twos are is 8. 4 twos are is 8. Then again you all are going to subtract it. Then your remainder will be 0 and your quotient will be 162. And the missing digit is 1 and 2. Next. Now the section C. Find the quotient. The first question is 585 divided by 3. As you all know, you have to see 3 ones are tables. So first number is 5. So go for 3 ones are 3. Because 3 twos are is 6, which is greater than 5. You have to select which is smaller than 5. That is 3 ones are 3. Then subtract it. You will get 2 as a remainder. The next step is bring down the next number. That will be your 8. The new number is formed now. That is 28. Now, in 3 ones are, 28 is near to what? That is 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 1. Now you know we have to bring down the next number. That is 5. Now another new number is formed. That is 15. Now again you have to check in 3 ones are where there is 15. That is 3 fives are 15. Then again subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient has 195. And here you have to write down quotient is equals to 195. Next one. 270 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. Then subtract it. 2 minus 2 is 0. After that, bring down the next number. That is 7. So in 2 table, 7 is near to what? That is 2 threes are 6, which is smaller than 7. So go for 2 threes are 6. Then again subtract it. Then you will get the remainder as 1. Then bring down the third number. That is your 0. Then in 2 ones are, where you can find 10 in table. That is 2 fives are 10. Now again you have to subtract it. Then you will get the remainder as 0. And your quotient, the result has 135. And don't forget to write down quotient is equals to 135. Next one. 440 divided by 4. So here you have to see 4 ones are table. That is 4 ones are 4. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0. As you all know, bring down the next number. That is 4. Again you have to go for 4 ones are 4. Because it's correctly equal to 4. So 4 ones are 4. Again subtract it. Then you will get 0 as a remainder. And bring down the another number. That is 0. You all brought down the 0. So you have to write here 4 zeros are 0. Or else direct you can write 0. No need of solving these steps. Okay. This is just to understand you all. After bringing down the 0, 4 zeros will be 0. Then after subtracting, your remainder will be 0. And your quotient, the result will be 110. So, quotient is 110. The next sum. 798 divided by 7. So, here you have to see 7 ones are table. That is 7 ones are 7. Then you are going to do subtraction. That is 7 minus 7 will be 0. Then bring down this 9. So in 7 ones are table there is no 9. That is 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 14 is greater than 9. So you cannot take. So go for 7 ones are 7. So 7 ones are 7. Then again subtract it. You will get the remainder as 2. Then again bring down the next number, that is 8. Then again subtract first you have to see in 7 table where there is 28. 7 fours are 28. Then you all have to subtract 28 minus 28. You will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient has 114. Next, fifth one. 846 divided by 6. Here you all have to see 6 ones are. So go for 6 ones are 6. Then again subtract it. You will get 2 has a remainder and bring down the next number, that is 4. So you will get a new number, that is 24. So 6 fours are 24. You can write 6 fours are 24. Then subtract it. So subtract 24 minus 24. You will get the remainder as 0. Then bring down the next number, that is 6. So you all know 6 ones are is 6. Now again you are going to subtract it. So your remainder will be 0 and your quotient will be 141. Now we'll go for next problem, that is 845 divided by 5. As you all know, we have to see 5 table now. So 5 ones are 5 because 8 is greater than 5. Now subtract it. We'll get the remainder as 3. Then bring down the next number, that is 4. The new number is formed, that is 34. Then in 5 ones are 34 is near to what? That is 5 6 are 30. Then you have to do subtraction. So you'll get the remainder as 4. Now again you have to bring down the next number, that is 5. Now the new number is formed, that is 45. So in 5 ones are, as you all know, 5 nines are is 45. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient, that is your result, as 169. Next problem, 810 divided by 9. So we have to see 9 table, that is this is perfectly divisible, 81, because it's there in 9 ones are. So 9 nines are 81. Then subtract it. You'll get the remainder as 0. Now you're going to bring down the next number. So write here 0. So your quotient will be 90 and your remainder is 0. Next, 580 divided by 4. Here you have to see 4 table. So 4 ones are 4 because 5 is greater than 4. Now you have to subtract. You will get the remainder as 1. Then as you all know, bring down this 8. So new number is formed, that is 18. So in 4 ones are, just see where there is 18 or which number is nearby 18. As you all know, 4 fours are is 16. So we'll go for 4 fours are 16. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 2. You will get the remainder as 2. Then the next step is you are bringing down the third number, that is 0. Okay, you will get a new number as 20. So in 4 ones are, as you all know, 4 fives are is 20. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient has 145. Next, 441 is divided by 7. Here you all have to see 7 ones are table. So 7 6 is 42, which is near to 44. So we can take direct. That is 7 6 are 42. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 2. Then bring down this 1. Then the new number is formed, that is 21. Then again you have to see in 7 ones are where there is 21 or any number which is near to 21. Then you will get it as 7 3s are 21. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder as 0 and your quotient, that the result has 63. Next, 248 divided by 8. You have to see 8 ones are table. So 8 threes are 24. Then subtract. You'll get the remainder as 0. Then bring down the next number, that is 8. And as you all know, 8 ones are is 8. Then afterwards, you all are going to do subtraction. You'll get the remainder as 0. And your question, that the answer has 31. Next sum, that is 670 divided by 5. Then 5 ones are 5. Then subtract it. You'll get the remainder as 1. And bring down the next number, that is 17. The new number is formed, that is 17. Then 5 threes are is 15. Then subtract it. You'll get the remainder as 2. After that, again you have to bring down the third number, that is 0. And as you all know, 5 fours are is 20. So again you have to subtract after writing 20. Then your remainder will be 0. And your question, that your answer will be 134. Next one. 196 is divided by 7. In 7 ones, our first check whether 19 number is nearby which number. So it is 7 twos are 14. Then subtract it. We will get the remainder as 5. Then bring down the next number, that is 6. The new number is formed, that is 56. Then again check in 7 table where there is 56 or any number nearby 56. You will get the correct number, that is 7 8s are 56. Then you are going to do subtraction. Then you will get the remainder as 0. And your question, that the answer has 28. Thank you. Happy learning.